The wow factor. Supercharge, maximum load, 1-1 assortment by World Class Fireworks. Comes in at 29 kilograms. It's a very large assortment. One of World Class's largest assortments. Just take a look at what you get. Supercharged, maximum load, shell kit, the Big Boss. Get the Big Boss shell kit. Set it over there. Big Boss looks like it has a lot of styrofoam fill. Comes with Eye of the Tiger. Performance Boomer Cake, 16 shot. Turning Heads, 16 shot. Boomer Cake. Warhog Motorcycle, 16 shot. Boomer Cake. Gone Bananas, 16 shot. Boomer Cake. Afterburner, 16 shot. Boomer Cake. Sexy Girl, 16 shot. Boomer Cake. Eye of the Tiger, 16 shot. Boomer Cake. It looks like it comes with just about every 16 shot Boomer assortment cake that usually comes in these assortments. Looks like it's coming with 6 500-gram cakes. Relentless. Performance there. Sky Brawl, 30 shot, 500-gram. Guerrilla Warfare, 500-gram. Let's see what this cake is. One Bad Axe, 500-gram, 25 shot. There's that Sky Brawl. Okay. I ain't seen no performance on that. Have to see what it does. We got Magnum, 500-gram. Performance there on Magnum. 500-gram fan cake. And then Fighting Rooster, 30 shot. 500-gram heavyweight. So that's what it's coming with. 6 500 grams. 7 200-gram cakes. And Big Boss shell assortment. Singles, doubles, triples, cylindricals, shells. That's what you get in the wow factor by World Class.